Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Windows version, edition and architecture from an ISO file. Imagine someone sent you a Windows ISO or you copied it from another computer, but the file name has been renamed to simply Windows.iso or something different file name. Now you have no idea what inside it. Is it Windows 10 or Windows 11? Is it Home or Pro? Or is it 64-bit or 32-bit? Instead of creating a bootable USB or installing Windows just to find out, Windows already includes a built-in tool that can tell you exactly what's inside the ISO. Let's see how we can find out. First, right-click on your Windows ISO and select Mount. Windows will mount it as a virtual DVD drive. Now, open the mounted drive and go to the Sources folder. Here, you'll find install.wim or install.esd. So here it is, file called install.wim extension. If your ISO contains install.esd, then also the process will be same. Now select the install.wim and right click on it and select copy as path. Now run command prompt as an administrator. Now let's check which Windows editions are included in this ISO. Type this command in the command prompt window. Then after the semicolon, paste the file path you just copied from the mounted drive, just like this, and press enter. Let's maximize the window. So this tells us that Windows ISO contains multiple Windows edition. Each edition has its own index number, and the Windows is Windows 11. But notice something, we still don't know the Windows build or architecture. It only tells the version of window with multiple edition. Now again run the command by typing the same command, and after install.wim press or add space and type this index colon 1. To see details information, simply type this command again and press enter. Here we can see this ISO is a 64-bit Windows 11 ISO file. We can also see the Windows build version, language and other useful information. So even if a Windows ISO has been renamed to different or something generic like Windows.iso, you can still identify which Windows version it contains, such as Windows 10 or Windows 11, which edition are included like Home or Pro, whether it's a 64-bit or 32-bit when applicable, the build version and language. And the best part is that you don't need any third-party software. Just the built-in DISM tool included with Windows. So that's how you can find Windows version, edition, and architecture from an ISO file. So if you find this video useful, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates, and thanks for watching my video.